In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram calling option not showing. So first, open your Instagram app. Then, then here you can see this call option. But if it does not show, let's how to fix it. So first, you have to go to your Play Store application. Make sure your Instagram must be updated. You are using Instagram latest version. So after that, you also have to update your mobile version. So make sure you are using latest version of mobile. So here in searching bar, I am typing. I will have to check that I am using update version of my cell phone or not. So here you can update your system. After that, let's long press on Instagram and click on app info, then click on permission, then click on microphones and click on allow only while using the app. So here you also have to allow, but if you don't find this option, then open your Instagram application, click on this option, click on call, then here you have to allow while using this application. So do all this step, your issue will be solved. So hope so you like the video.